Click on the screen to enter the product page, then long press the upper right corner. Enter the password to log in to the backend. Click on the local alarm clock. Directly above here is the time on the screen. If wrong, please change to the time guided by engineer. After entering, click the local alarm clock. Otherwise, subsequent settings will not be enabled, then click OK. Next, click Add an alarm clock. For example, start the machine at 8 o'clock 55 minutes, shut down at 17 o'clock 55 minutes. This is the alarm time that needs to be set. Set the clock and minutes to the desired time. Then click OK. Note that the switch is turned on in the upper right corner. The next step is to set the week. Means the weekly start date that needs to be set. The default is to start machine every day. Next is the type. Open the stove is equal to start the machine. Close the stove is equal to shut down. Start and close sleep is equal to turn on and off the screen. Sleep only affects the screen. It will not affect machine work and stop. Finally, modify the title and click OK. The shutdown operation is basically the same as before. Note that the type is to close the stove. If it is the first time to set a local alarm clock, please follow the video instructions. Provide photo of the alarm clock to after-sales engineers to check if it is wrong.